Today we're going to take a tour through Suite 3720 of the Art of Animation Resort. This is Suite 3720, which is a Cars family suite. As you come into this particular room, you'll notice immediately on the left is a Murphy bed. Of course, right now it is set up as a table that will seat 4 individuals. It converts to a full-size Murphy bed. As you come over to the living area, there's a wet bar area with a coffee maker, microwave, and refrigerator, as well as a small sink. Moving further through this area, there's a pull-out sofa here that pulls out to a full-size bed. Electronics section that has charger plugs, HDMI plugs, as well as audio-visual ports. Ample storage space for your clothes for a week and hang-up area as well. Also extra linens and towels and pillows that you might need for your trip are also there. There's a recycling can as well as a trash can next to the sofa there, which is really neat. Very handy to have. The control is of this room is centered in a central heat and air type unit. You see there's a little bedside table next to the table there for Murphy bed. Coming into the general bathroom, into the common area bathroom here, you see that it has a sink, it has a bathtub. It's a nice accommodating size bathtub there. It's pretty much a basic bathroom, basic setup. As you come back out of that bathroom area, you come back into the general area. Over across the room is the master bedroom, which has a queen-sized bed. Also across from the bed is an entertainment center there, also with similar plug-ins as in the general living area. What is really neat about the master bedroom area is this master bathroom. This master bathroom is very large. It accommodates 2 full-grown adults very well. The lighting in this bathroom is really great, especially for ladies who are putting on their makeup. It's really bright so that you can see what you need to see. And the walk-in shower is very accommodating, very roomy. Of course, all the shampoos and conditioners and soaps are supplied by Disney. And again, the bed, you see the nightstands with the traffic cones in keeping with the Cars theme. As you come back into the general area, you just see that overall this room is quite spacious. We had 3 adults and 1 child in this room, and there was plenty of space, plenty of walk-around room, plenty of living room. So this was just a really nice suite. It's very nice. It would be great for a weekend stay or a week-long stay as well. A home away from home at Disney's Art of Animation Resort. Again, this is a Cars family suite at Disney's Art of Animation Resort. See y'all real soon.